the Grand Floridian much later than we anticipated. Why we didn't go earlier? I can tell you. We ran about it later. I don't feel like ranting about it right now. But there's a reason why we didn't go earlier. But look at that, the gingerbread house. Isn't that cool? So we can't like go around it without being in people's way. Yeah, let's do that. And then inside there is a store if you want to buy something. It's very cool. So it's very kind of, you can't get in front because there's like a line of people wanting to get their picture in front of it. Crazy. It's very pretty though. Here's a better view of the gingerbread house. That's the line to buy a piece of gingerbread. I don't want to do that since I can buy a plum tree tonight. So, but that tree is huge. Alright, we're at the Christmas party.
You guys.
I'm not in Cutter anymore.
Hey, where are you guys?
I'm not. I'm
At the party. Alright. Looking for this.
That's the cookies.
That's the cookies. Our free cookies. Okay, they got photo opportunities. Everybody's stopping for photo opportunities. Candy canes. Looking for candy canes.
Go to that side.
Merry Christmas. Enjoy.
Our first, it is a big cookie.
It's a big cookie.
It's our first beep. Maybe we get two.
I got
We're
beeped
speed.
already.
You got beeped already. If only I had the ability to beep. Our quest tonight is to see how many free cookies we can get.
That's right. Whether I'll snap first or if we'll get my cookies.
Yeah, it's quite crowded already. So Robert's already on edge because
Very on it.
it's just been a crazy day. I'll rant later. I'm gonna have a rant video later.
We can rant right now.
I might rant right now, but Christmas music's going on.
All right.
So you have like the best job here. Dipping the chocolate. The what? Would it get old? I don't know. I don't think I would get ever bored of dipping caramel apples. So it's like white chocolate. Now she gets like, I think it's cinnamon sugar. Now, cinnamon sugar. Now she's sprinkling cinnamon sugar all over it. Oh my god. That is so cool. So cool. They have the best treats. Let's see what is she doing over here. She is making Rice Krispie treats. Rainbow Rice Krispie treats. That's pretty cool. Oh man. Oh, that's cool. So then that's pretty cool. I like the chocolate dipped pineapple personally. That's what I like buying. Look at all this good stuff. Candy apple, caramel apple. Oh, this is what she was making. The apple. Oh yeah, I could never eat that.
Your fillings up.
I apple pie apple. That's what she was making. Decorated crisp. That's what the other lady was making. Very, very cool. Alright, this is one of the Halloween party specialty desserts. It is a Jack Skellington Santa Claus, Sandy Claus dessert. So that is fondant, and I don't remember what was on the inside. You're not gonna be able to see it. It's like a apple spice. Let's see. I read it was very good. Oh, it's white chocolate. Oh my god, it's very good. It's like pumpkin. I don't know. It's not pumpkin. Robert, taste it. It's like apple. The cake that's inside. Allspice, that's what it is. It's really, really good. It was like $5.99. I think it's worth it. Isn't that good?
It's a cinnamony
delight. That's red fondant. You can tell that.
It's very cinnamony.
It's very good.
I can't tell if it's apple or not though.
Alright, we needed something salty to combat all the sweetness. So this is loaded nachos. And this is, what did she say those were? Hot Cheetos?
Yeah,
very
like
hot
that.
Cheetos on top. So we just needed something because we've had like
I didn't grab a fork.
too much sweet. I don't even know if forks were an option.
I don't think so.
Our favorite bird.
Morgan's not working. Glad we got to come to this part. I didn't realize that was there.
Wait, I've got it. A banana. Yes, that's it. I know. On his phone machine.
All the way forward, guys. 3 steps, please. 3 steps. All the way forward, please. Right here. 3.
Playful spooks have interrupted our tour. Please remain seated in your doom buggy. We will proceed in just a moment.
Please remain seated to start moving in motion immediately.
We have been unavoidably detained by friends. Kindly remain seated in your doom buggy.
going to for a little bit there. But we made it.
You done?
Ready? Alright, we're back in our room. It's 1 a.m. It took an hour to get back to the room. I don't know why. The bus just took... We actually got into the bus pretty quickly, but I don't know why it took an hour to get back to the room. So anyway, look at all these cookies we got. So you just go through each line once, and then but you can go over and over again, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, we went through a couple lines a couple times. And then one of them gave chocolate, and we didn't do that line more than once. And then one of them gave applesauce. But look at all these cookies. I haven't counted them yet. And then you saw I got the Pluto bucket earlier. And then they had this bucket, which I was so happy because I thought only they had these at Disneyland. So I had to get this popcorn bucket too. I already ate the popcorn, but yeah, this is our haul. We made it the whole 5 hours. I was excited about that. And oh my god, just look at all these cookies. So I was very excited. They are individually wrapped. We did a Christmas party like 5 years ago. It was at least 5, wasn't it? Was it before we got married? Anyway, it was a long time ago. So the Christmas party a long time ago, they were not individually wrapped. So once I read somewhere that they were individually wrapped, I'm like, how many cookies can we get? Well, guess what? You can get a lot. We got a lot. And they're all kinds of different kinds. Like this one's peppermint bark, and there's like, this is ginger snap. So very excited. And they're all individually wrapped, so we can take our time eating them. Very excited about that. But you know what? I'm tired. It's tired. I'm tired. So I'll do the more video in the morning because like I want to rant, and if I rant right now, I could rant for like an hour because it's like it's kind of like ironic that we had more fun during the day at Downtown Disney than we did at the Christmas party, and we had more fun at Universal Studios than we did at Disney. So unfortunately, Disney's just not the same like it was 5 years ago. It's just not as good as it was, unfortunately. It's changed, and not necessarily for the better. So like I said, I'm not going to do that right now. I'll talk about that later. It's just, I want to go to bed. But did you see the room earlier? We do have a cool princess-themed room. But we're tired. So anyway, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons, and I will see you later. Oh wait, you want to see some fireworks? Fireworks! Fireworks! There you go.